Alrighty guys, so I'm guessing this warranty company or whoever sending us these transmission didn't learn their lesson. Alright, we put this in last week guys, it's already back. It's leaking point, get fluid out of the front pump area. Y'all know this is an egg one transmission, so in order to get those front pump out, it's not just a matter of taking bolts off right here and pulling the pump out, okay? No, you gotta flip this transmission upside down and pull the front pump out with the case off, with the whole transmission disassembled. So it's not your traditional transmission front pump repair. Well, we're not going to do all that to a transmission that we just put in, a used transmission on top of that. Now, they obviously didn't learn their lesson, because look what we got here. Another one, all right? Another used junky transmission. Maybe this one hold up. I don't know. We shall see. We getting paid again to put it in, so damn it, we're going to put it in. It's not our call. It's one of those things where they make the decision. Damn it, we got to do what we're paid to do. All right, y'all stay tuned.